Alright guys, this is Mr. Markham coming to you from Unlimited Possibilities Martial Arts to do another short segment on Aikido. Okay, I really like Aikido, but I think there's a fundamental misunderstanding of Aikido, so I like to come and do some of these techniques. This is we're going to do kind of a self-defense / combat idea with the Aikido, just so you guys can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my helper come out, Mr. Starr here. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to be talking about, or we're going to be dealing with a grab. Okay, so a real simple defense, if someone grabs you here, right? And usually when someone grabs you, they grab you two different ways. If their arm is straight, they're pushing you, usually, not always. But if they're bending their arm, they're pulling you into them, okay? This technique can actually work for both, if you know how to do it right. Again, if you have the skill, right? So from right here, what I'm going to do, he grabs here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab here. I'm actually going to grab here and rotate, bring my elbow down, and turn this way, and put my hand here, okay? So when I put my hand here, that allows me to be able to push, and you guys can't see this, but I'm pushing into him this direction, okay? So I'm going to push into him, which moves his whole entire body, okay? Because I'm going into his center. So I'm grabbing here, grabbing back here, rotating. Notice I rotate to the back. This motion is very important. Don't miss this, because it turns the shoulder over, okay? Notice I'm grabbing here. When I rotate, see how my hand turns? I'm rotating this, okay? That's very important. Then the next move is I put my hand here, and I'm just going to press in this forward motion, okay? It's important to note when I'm grabbing here and I'm coming here that I want to press. You can press this way, you also can press this way, but the main thing is you want to keep this aligned to the side, okay? What I'm saying is you want it here, not back here, not over here, but aligned, because when it's aligned like this, okay, you have the ability to push and take the person off balance, okay? So starting here, we're going to speed back just a little bit. From here, I turn, rotate like this. And what I want to do is push into him and bring his shoulder down. See? Okay, come back. So make sure we're on the camera. Here. Bring his shoulder down like this, okay? You can also raise the back part up when you do that. So I'm coming here, here. I can bring this up too, but really I want to rotate that shoulder over and push it down and come here. This is eventually where you want to be at. You're grabbing the arm, you got his shoulder down, so you're kind of in an arm bar, and then you can bring the arm straight. This right here, this is called Ikkyo in Aikido. So straightening the arm, I'm grabbing his hand like so. Let's rewind. Grab, rotate, here, push him over, straighten this arm out, and I want to get at this point here, okay? So from this point, obviously I can start to take him down, push him down, I can drop his head down, I can actually push into him and run away also, okay? All right, the next one we're gonna do is, let's say it's not a grab, but it's a punch, but the line is the same. The attack line is exactly the same. So he comes in, he punches. The main thing is I want to cover some sort of a covering mechanism or technique, right? So when he comes in, I can just do this. This works perfectly fine. So give me a punch. I can go into his punch with my hands, right? I can double block here, then face him, and now we're back to the exact same move, okay? So he punches, I come here. I like this way a little bit better, but it's harder to do if you're not used to it. So you can just do this also, okay? Slow. Notice where my hands are. And then I want to step in here, so down here. So that's a pretty simple one that you can do. I personally also like when I punch in. If I come here, I like to circle the hand so I can really make their body move, okay, make them whiplash a little bit. So after that, you do everything exactly the same, right? So they punch, you come to the side here, you turn, you come and turn, oops, sorry, turn the shoulder over, let's scoot back a little bit. Turn the shoulder over like so, and then what you can do, you can step, you can take them off balance, you can actually throw them away using that arm. So basically that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to come to you guys with a real simple self-defense technique using Aikido, okay? The one thing I want you guys to remember, when someone's coming at you, in Aikido anyway, when someone's coming at you, you want to be able to flow with their movement, okay? So one more time, last thing. Best way to do this, if he punches, is to move. See, I move early, like that. That's the best thing to do. But for right now, I want you guys to get the hands up and get it in position, right? Okay, so very good. All right, that's our video for this week, and we'll see you guys on the next video.